nami gidman gali no ang Negros Island region to kung nagsigi to tani kanami to kay may mga regional offices na kita di ya. Daw kapos ang communication, daw hapos balatanan kung may kaugalingon kita nga mga regional offices. Di although do magiting iban ginamtang lapit man lang na. Pero ari sa aton nga linya karon si Governor Eugenio Lacson, i-clarify ko lang sa iya kay parang ang mga nagapamangkot mas satisfied ta ba na?
Online sa hotline. Online sa hotline.
Amo ning pang-interview naton liwat kay Gob after nga nag-isolate siya and nag-back to work na nga ton gobernador sa probinsya. Gob, kumusta ka na?
Good morning, Action Art, sa mga nagapamati. Okay man, ka-improve man ko by the day. Although once in a while, ubo pa ko.
Ati, sige, do normal guro nga effect ina Gob. So, praying para sa imo manasig pagid para 100% nga fully recovered ka na gid. Gob, kung di kapon may ara kamo sang virtual meeting do okay naman to nga ang Bacolod inbound traveler kuan na yagin pasugtan yung ayo sang city. Damo galing ka pamangkot ri samon niya sa province sir. Ano ang mangin requirements ni starting February 1 Gob same man ni sa Bacolod City nga rat na lang pwede na.
On the part of the province, we're even doing something better, no? But anyway, klaro ang issue, Bacolod did not request na to do away with a test, with a negative test. They did not request. Ang ilaging pangabay na instead na RT PCR, which is mas mahal, and subong medyo kadugay sa puno sa resulta, gagwa sa NCR, kung pwede, in lieu of an RT PCR test, ang gamito na lang ay Rapid Antigen Test.
Okay.
Bacolod and the province still requires a negative result.
Okay.
So, as far as an antigen is concerned, 48 hours. As far as an RT PCR, pwede up to 72 hours.
Okay.
So, nga result. So, klaro ta na,
Yes,
importante gyapon na may ara ka mo ipakita na negative result. Whether it is RT PCR or an antigen test. Ang din pamangkot ko lang to sa antigen test because I know ang antigen, you can buy this over the counter. In short, any individual can do the testing himself or herself, no?
Okay.
So anong proof? Anong proof that it was done properly? Because you must remember, Action Art, sa antigen test, mainom ka ng tubig before you take the test, most likely clear ka. Di ba na? So, ang Bacolod said that they will only accept a result of an antigen test done in a registered or in a legitimate laboratory. So in short, the laboratory will still issue a certificate that this Juan de la Cruz took an antigen test in our laboratory and the results turned out negative.
I see.
So, kung na, if you want to use an RT PCR, pwede. If you want to use an antigen test, pwede. Ang importante, ang resulta is negative. Now, on the part of the province, will we accept that? On the part of the province, we prefer to do the test. No? So, when you ask for an S-Pass, i-manifest mo that. I don't want to spend any more here in Metro Manila. Can I take the test upon arrival? The province will accept that, and upon your arrival in the airport, there is a silay, we will test you.
Okay.
Libre. We will not charge you any amount.
At least klaro no nga nabalaan blas ng mga taga Negros kay duga ko ka-confuse sila. At least klaro niya nga may libre gyapon giya nga swab test diri ang province as part pagid of the protocol or safety measures naton.
Yes, no. We can do either a swab or we can do a antigen test, no, on the part of the province, and we will not charge the individual.
So anyway, daw klaro naman agob. Mabasip lang ko very quickly, may facility gali kita sa Cadiz. Ngin buksan kahapon, Gob?
So, kini-expand lang natin ang bed capacity because we all know Cadiz is our COVID center.
Okay.
If you can recall, in 2020, ang first COVID center natin was Cadiz District Hospital. And so yesterday, we expanded the bed capacity. We turned over the facility. We added another 100 bed capacity, for that area.
Okay.
We really hope na we do not need to open again ang Valladolid and later on ang Himamayla, So I hope what we have in Cadiz will be sufficient. So that's why unfortunately in Omicron very contagious good, no? But if you're fully vaxxed, I can guarantee you, if you're fully vaxxed, most likely, fully vaxxed and you have booster, most likely mild ang imo case.
Gani man. Damo man experience ko basta fully vax ka tuod, mild lang, asymptomatic pag ganing iban ko.
That is true, no? But again, pero action art, let's not have the attitude na, sige lang, mild lang niya, way kaso nila.
Oo.
The records will show that there are 18 million new cases of Omicron around the world. So, maski masilingta na mild, pero that's 18 million new cases. So it's very contagious. Ang problema lang sinis, because it's very contagious, there might be a need for more hospital beds.
Okay.
Kasi kada-6 ang lapta, no? So, although, like example, in my case, I healed well naman, because obviously it was mild, no fever, oxygen level average 96, temperature, well, as I said, no fever. Pwede man mag-isolate at home, no? So, amo nilang ang characteristics ng Omicron, pero it's still very contagious. And
Okay.
Let us not think na lapit na matapos ang pandemya, no? Let's still continue to be cautious.
Yes, Gob. May nagapamangkot, isa na lang, Gob, ang sa barko, subong ang mga requirements sa yung Japon, why pa changes?
Basta halin ka sa level 3 na area, the requirement, makuha ka yapon S-Pass, okay? And then, what you call this thing, you have to present, basta halin ka sa NCR, no? Outside of Panay, no? Or outside of Western Visayas.
Okay.
Basta halin ka outside of Western Visayas, and then you want to come back whether through air or through sea, pangayoan ka gisang, you have to pass through S-Pass, and you will have to submit those requirements, no, ang mga negative results.
Okay.
Unless, of course, you will manifest that I'm willing to be tested upon arrival in the city ports.
Sige, on that note, Gob, salamat gid and praying para sa imong madasing fully 100% recovery. God bless and halong gid permi, Gob.
Salamat, Action Art.
Action Hotline.
Dito na pag-ipatiniron si Gob, kabalo ko, very, very busy job. Hindi lang dahog mangin gobernador kay, no? Klaro, hunta ha, ang Negros, same gyapon kay imponer sila gyapon. Pwede man mabaton ang rat, pero kinanglan, hindi nga siling babakal kasang antigen test kit, kag dason ikaw lang nga sa kaugalingon mo lang na matest, nga mo nang i-present nyo. Ang requirements, dapat kwaon nyo gid sa laboratory, ang result, inang gin-accredit o kung ginakilala sang Department of Health. Take note na, hindi yan pwede nga kundiin lang nagbarato, pwede ka makabarato sina, bangod mas barato ang balayran mo, pero dapat sa accredited, nga dito ka nga laboratory, makuha sina, hindi nga ikaw lang daya kundiin ka daya kuha naman sang test result, no, pwede sir. Kaya ang ginahimo, subong niya sang province, siling ni Gob as much as possible, ginatingwaan gidiya subong man, nga mamuli gani, nga makapauli ning luyag makapauli. Pero ang nami kay ang province, ga-offer mo. Pag-abot mo diri as part of the safety measure, iswab kaya gyapon in order to make sure nga kuan kagid hilway kagid, why ka ma-infect sa COVID-19. Oh, klaro na na. Ting sa mga barko niya basta outside ka, halin ka sa Manila, ma-process ka na sa ispas mo,